When preparing for plumbing related winter upkeep in an individual's home, it is always important to remember to disconnect hoses as well as garden hose boxes from the outside faucet to help prevent freezing in that first 2 to 6 inches as the piping goes into the home. So you're going to go to each outside faucet around the house, disconnect the garden hose, making sure to disconnect every outside faucet garden hose that you have. Otherwise, come springtime, you'll turn on your garden hose and end up with rain in your basement. The second portion of ensuring that your outside faucets do not freeze during the winter months is going inside where the outside faucet penetrates through the home in the basement to turn off the isolation valve feeding the outside faucet. Usually located up in the ceiling of your basement. Locate the valve just off of the outside faucet and rotate it until it seals.